Today I'm going to be reviewing this Big Red Torin steel scissor lift jack. Let's go ahead and open the box. Comes with your Scissor Jack owner's manual and the jack itself, which is 2 pieces. This jack comes highly recommended for quality, value, and utility. Its capacity is 1.5 tons or 3,000 pounds. And we're going to go ahead and demo it just to show you how easy a jack like this is to use. But one of the things that people really liked about this jack is that it has a very wide or broad base. So it's supposed to be very sturdy. So we're going to go ahead and test it out. You can see that this piece right here opens up just like this and it hooks together right in here. You can see that it cranks like this, and we want to get this piece right here in touch with the piece of metal under here, as I'll show you. So let's go ahead and see where to put the head of the jack. If you come to the base of your car here, towards the front wheel, for example, you'll see that there's this piece of steel or metal here, and that's the part of the car that you want the top of the jack or the head of the jack to come in contact with. And just like you have in the front of the car, if you come to the back wheel of the car, you'll see pretty much the same piece of steel right here that you'll want to connect your top of your jack with. You can go ahead and slide it under and crank it up. It starts as low as 4 1/8 inch and will crank up to as high as 15 1/8 inch. But basically, you just want to get it to where the tire here is slightly off the ground so you can easily pull it off. So far, it's very easy to use. It's very smooth. And now it's coming in contact with that steel plate that we looked at. Very nice and smooth. I'm using very, very little effort. And I can see that it's starting to lift. And I've got it lifted to full capacity, so the full 15 1/8 inches, and looks like I'm just about where I need to be to remove the tire. So I'm definitely happy with the utility. No effort pretty much to crank it up. So we'll go ahead and we'll release it down, and the same way, just backwards, and just keep lowering it until you're down to the bottom, and then you can store it easily. That's what the jack looks like halfway up. I do like this really wide base. It felt very sturdy when I was pumping the jack up, and it was very easy to turn the handle. I'm very excited to have this. We've needed one for our vehicle for a while because our vehicle, when we bought it, was used and didn't have one. Now we'll just store this in our car, and I'm sure that it's going to come in handy anytime that we might have to change a tire or something on the road when we're the only ones that we can depend on. I also found it very cool that the jack fits right in this little back compartment of our car perfectly. That's an added bonus, and don't even have to see it when you're not using it. So I hope you liked my review of this Big Red Torin steel scissor lift jack. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching.